Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Trends to find winning Shopify products that actually sell. So let's get started. Step 1. Go to Google Trends. Open Google and search for Google Trends. Click the first link to go to trends.google.com. Step 2. Set your country. Once you're on Google Trends, select your target country like the United States for more accurate product insights. Step 3. Search broad product ideas. In the search bar, type broad niches like water bottle or yoga mat. Check if the interest is rising or steady. Step 4. Check related queries. Scroll down to the related queries section to discover trending product, terms, and rising interests. Step 5. Validate product on supplier sites. Take those trending terms and search them on AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping to confirm availability and demand. Tutorial Lore Outro. That's how you use Google Trends to find winning Shopify products. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more tutorials. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. I do not intend to violate any copyright restrictions. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.